Year 2014, our civilization has reached its utmost glory. We are conscious about keeping our environment hygienic and clean. In the school, the beginners have been imparted knowledge on healthy and hygienic way of living and importance of sanitation. Government has introduced program like Total Sanitation Campaign with a view to provide sanitation facility to every household. But still there is some people who are left behind. They still do not have the proper sanitation facility. Menuka Machi, a single old destitute woman, belong to this group of people who hasn't got sanitation facility yet. Biara village, Koniara 2 Gram Panchayat under Bagda block in the district of North 24 Farganas, where Menuka Machi resides in a small house which she has got from Indra Awas Yojana few years back, but she could not construct toilet in her house due to financial constraint. 2014 has been declared Year of Convergence by the government, where impetus has been given on implementation of scheme through convergence of fund of MGNREGA and others scheme or department. One of such convergence in MGNREGA with NBA or Total Sanitation Campaign. Let us witness how Menuka Machi got the benefit of sanitation through blazing of convergence of MGNREGA and NBA.
তোমার বাড়িতে পায়খানা ঘর আছে?
ওইটা তো তাই।
তাহলে কোথায় যাও?
বাগানে।
Government has created an honorarium post called Swachhota Dut under Total Sanitation Campaign to conduct baseline survey in order to assess number of households who still haven't got toilet. One day, Swachhota Dut during door-to-door survey work visits Menuka Machi. Being asked, Menuka Machi states that she doesn't have toilet. Menuka Machi also states that she doesn't have enough money to construct toilet and she is compelled to go bush side for defecation, leaving aside bashfulness. The Swachhota Dut explains that using open space for defecation can spread various diseases like cholera, dysentery, etc. And government now giving benefit of construction of toilet to the household who haven't got toilet yet. And she can also have toilet, and in return she has to pay rupees 900 of her own. In this scheme, rupees 5,400 is being given from MGNREGA fund and rupees 4,600 is being shared out of NBA fund, and beneficiaries contribution is rupees 900. In total, rupees 10,900 is sanctioned amount for construction of toilet. Material has been supplied and toilet is constructed for Menoka Maji.
আমি পায়খানা পেয়ে খুব খুশি।
Now Menoka Maji is very happy that she doesn't have to go to the bush side for defecation.